Natalie Berth here to do a review for Jenny's profile for a short review. Okay, so right off the bat, I wasn't sure until I went into more detail. The Brooklyn Cottage is her business. And like I've said many times over, we really do not want to put the name of our company out here to this level. I think it looks like a really cool idea. This is a neat logo. Maybe just put that above her head. But right in here needs to be listing um, what exactly she offers with her skill set, right? The other thing is that or with this location. The other thing is I don't know that community gatherer it doesn't say a whole lot to me because I don't really understand what it is that she does. And yet when I go into the about section, she talks about helping mission-driven companies, nonprofits engage new and diverse stakeholders, right? This is more I don't like help statements, but we need to be bringing this in here, right? Community gatherer, so um, getting stakeholders on board. I don't know. So I'd have to work with her a little bit more to bring this in and bring the language up to where we need it to go so that it is both compelling and also descriptive. Okay. The next thing is because of what she does, she needs to bring in the service section. She needs to do the featured section. This gives the link to the website. You can even put the website link right below her name here. It could go visit the Brooklyn Cottage or, here's what we do or here's our portfolio or something like that. What I did see here, though, is that she's been cited several times in um, magazines or newspapers. And what would be a cool place is you put this under publications, even though she didn't write the article. She can also just put in like I am not the art, like I'm featured, I'm not the author, right? But this then allows the live link to be there, and if somebody wants to learn more about it, we can put that in there. We've got same thing with, as I've explained before, use the graphics here to, allow us to have more information. And of course, please, please, please build a business page and skip the self-employed. Like, you're the founder and curator. We don't need to know it's self-employed. It makes it sound probably smaller unless you're doing this. The workshop, I don't know if it's a constant thing, if it's a new thing, if it was a one-time thing. If it was a one-time thing, put that down as a project and so on. Okay, obviously there's always more, and but thank you so much to Jenny for allowing me to review your profile.